Next, I will explain some errors, some simple errors. How can we correct the simple errors? Okay. Actually, what is the purpose of semicolon? Semicolon indicates the completion of a statement, right? So, what happens if we are not putting semicolon in a line? What happened? Let us check. I just remove the semicolon from the first line and I am running. First, I compile the code by using Alt F9. There is one error, okay, and I click any key we can press. I just press an enter key, then it display the error declaration syntax error. Clear? Syntax error means actually compiler know the grammar about the language. In the normal language we are using grammars, present tense, past, future tense. In the same way, in the programming language also having grammar. If we are using the grammar, then only the compiler know the code. Okay, because compiler is the only one person or program which helps to convert our language to machine language. So I remove the semicolon in the declaration part, int n, that is the first line of our code. Then it display an error declaration syntax error because compiler couldn't know what the compiler need to translate. Okay, so line number also they specifies 6 declaration syntax error. Okay, normal case, if we are missing the semicolon, then the compiler will pointing the next line of the missing line. Okay, here the missing semicolon in the first line, but the cursor is pointing the next line of our missing line. So the cursor is pointing clear screen, that means the statement is missing or the semicolon is missing just before CLRSCR. Okay, so I am going there and put semicolon. Okay, the program will run after every errors will correct. Here you only one error. Next I just remove t in the print statement. I just remove printf. What happens? Let me check. Compile, control F9, then no error. Okay, then I just run control F9. Compilation there is no error, but running they give an error. Undefined symbol printf. Undefined symbol means actually compiler know the function printf only, because the header file stdio contains the definition of printf, not printf. So spelling and syntax, everything should be very important for the translation. If we use printf, then compiler will check the definition of printf in the header file stdio and it will translate to machine code. Here I use printf. Compiler couldn't identify because the definition of printf is not included in stdio or conio. So they specify the line undefined linker error. Linker error means compiler cannot link our function into the header file. Okay, compiler cannot link our function into the header file. So I just gave t printf. Okay, next one thing, what is the purpose of header file? It includes the definition of all files, right? Suppose you need to know what are the functions defined in the header file, means just to go to the header file, cursor place and then right click. It will display all the functions which included in the file stdio. Okay, you just notice printf is there, scanf is there, get c, put c. These are the number of functions. Suppose you need to know about the definition of any one function or purpose of any one function, then you just click that function, right click that function. Okay, this is the definition of f get c, f put c. So by using this screen you know everything by right clicking. Suppose you know you you need to know the definition of clear screen function. Then you just go put the cursor there and right click. Okay, it will display clear screen function definition, and go back, click here. Clear. Suppose I am giving a spelling mistake of get ch. I remove e. What happens? Alt F9. We can compile. There is no compilation error. Then I try to run. There is an error. I just enter a key, undefined symbol GTCH. The compiler couldn't identify GTCH because no definition about GTCH in our files. So I just put GTCH. Then run. Control F9. It will display. Enter a number. I give 45. I just enter. Clear. These are the common errors. These are simple errors. Okay. Next, I just miss the simple ampersand. What happens? Ampersand. What is the purpose of ampersand? Ampersand means the address of the variable. Scanf means a function which helps to read a number or anything from the keyboard. Scanf %d means we are going to read an integer variable and it will store the address of the variable n. Here I miss ampersand symbol. What happens? First I compile by using Control F9. There is no error. Then I use Control F9. What happens? Enter a number. I just give 30 and enter. That print something, some value. We entered 30 but the output is not 30. Clear? What happens here? Actually the reading not taken here because I give 30 but the compiler couldn't know in which address the value 30 stored. Okay, so it just display one value. That value is called a garbage value. That is, here I entered the value 30 that is not stored in the variable n, and we also not initialize any value with n. So it print a useless value. That value is called a garbage value. Actually what happened here is, here no reading is happened because of the error in the scanf statement. Clear? Okay, thank you.